Welcome to Tech Solutions Hub, your trusted source for assistive technology. Empowering accessibility, innovating for a better tomorrow. Explore our tutorials, product reviews, and expert insights. Learn how to harness assistive tech for independence. Connect with us. Subscribe for latest updates. Hit the notification bell. And join our community on social media. Breaking barriers, one solution at a time.
The instrumental for this video is provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd.
Good day everyone, my name is Uyiosa Israel Efionayi. Today we are looking at exploring the Windows environment with a screen reader, and the screen reader in use is MVDA, non-visual desktop access. And today we are going to be looking at managing our recycle bin. What the recycle bin does, just as it's called recycle, everything you delete from your system goes there, unlike on the Android or the iPhone. When you delete something on Windows, it goes to the recycle bin. So let's do a practical on things that we're about to delete. Let me go to my desktop.
Folder view, VLC media player 8 of 31.
This PC.
Top speed 310 of 31. This PC 6 of 31.
Enter.
This PC, items view, folders expanded. This PC
We're
expanded
going
3 of 4
videos.
Items view, folders expanded. Videos items view, 4K video downloader not selected 1 of 4.
Going to
audio described 2 of 4. Audio described.
So remember, I am moving around my arrow keys and using first letter navigation, and to activate is enter. So now I want to delete a folder. So now I'm going to do Control plus D to delete a folder. Then you will listen closely to what MVDA will tell us.
Delete folder. Are you sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin? Season 2 date created 11/19/2024 12:07 p.m. Yes, Alt. Why?
The dialog box that opens when you want to delete something asks if you want to move that item to the recycle bin. So the principles of Windows is that when you delete, the thing has not removed from your system. It has gone to your recycle bin, and it is still taking space in your recycle bin. That is why we are looking at it. It is still taking space in your recycle bin. So you have to go and empty your recycle bin. But you need to always check your recycle bin if there's any app or file or folder that you want to restore to where it was before. So we're going to be doing that. Let me go to my desktop, Windows D.
Folder view. This PC 6 of 31.
I'm going to press R for recycle bin.
Recycle bin 1 of 31.
So that is recycle bin. I'm going to press enter. So recycle bin, the way the folder opens is most recent files first. That means any file you delete today, that is the files that will be at the top. It sorts by date. So now remember, in our last class we were working on supernatural and all those things, deleting, copying and pasting, then deleting what we copied. So here they are.
Supernatural Season 12 TTF.
So this is Supernatural Season 12.
Supernatural Season 13 Supernatural
13.
Season 14 Supernatural
15.
Season 15 Supernatural Season 11 Supernatural Season 15 TT Smellville Season 9 This PC Shortcut 8 of 3 The Boys Season 4 Exploring the Windows Environment with a Screen Reader Part 1 Exploring the Windows Environment with a Screen Reader Part 1 Exploring the Deck Morphle's Summer Barbecue Party Sun Morphle's Family My Magic Pet Morphle Kids Cartoons MP4 12 of 36 38,833. Blind person walking through city with blind stick JP. Free make video downloader full X15. Full shot blind man with white cane JPG. My magic train. My magic pet Morphle episode 1 MP4 19 of 36. TD video downloader V. TD video downloader V5. Tips for improving your 4 video downloader. How to use 4K video downloader plus for Win. G-Show November 5th 2024 by CSR with CLV1 9 4K video downloader for auto recovery save of document 1 OCN of PDF com hair OCN of PDF com the Magician King left Grossman PDF 31 of 36 OCN of PDF com the Magician OCN of PDF God Color the OCN of PDF.
We've seen, okay, that's the end of the file. We've seen a lot of files that I have deleted, but the major file I would want to remove is Morphle.
Morphle's Summer Barbecue Party Sun Morphle's Family My Magic Pet Morphle Kids Cartoons MP4
Morphle.
12 of 36.
I deleted it. And where did I delete it from? Remember, it will show us details if we go to the right.
Original location C. Users admin videos 4K video downloader read only row to original location column 2.
So it has shown us the original location, and it was in download 4K downloader. That was the file path. So this is an example of a file path. So let me reduce my screen reader again so that we can listen to it.
Rate 15.
Rate 15, okay.
Morphle's Summer original location C. Users admin videos 4K video downloader read only.
So that was
Morphle's Summer original location C. User date deleted 11/1/3/2024 3 p.m. read only date deleted forward ascending. Size 1,626,005. Item type MP4 video file. Date modified 11/1/2/2024.
Date modified. So those are the information we will get when we are on recycle bin. So now I want to restore. Remember our context menu. So we'll do Shift F10.
Context.
So it has opened. You know, mine says context. Yours might say context menu.
Restore E.
So restore. That is what we are looking for.
Cut T. Delete. Properties. Restore
So
E.
restore.
Recycle bin.
That.
Morphle's Summer Barbecue Party Sun Morphle's exploring the 38,833
So
exploring the wind.
So now that we have checked through our recycle bin and we've seen that we want to delete everything on this recycle bin. We don't want anything again. We have restored one of the items. We press Alt F4. Take note, Alt F4 is a new keyboard command that I'm teaching. It is for closing running windows like apps or folder. Do Alt F4.
Desktop Windows Source.
So it has closed. So let's go to desktop.
Folder view. Recycle bin 1 of
Now
31.
we're back on desktop. Our selection is still on recycle bin. So I want to do Shift plus F10 now on recycle bin.
Context.
So it has opened context.
Open O.
So there's open.
Open in new process.
Open in
P.
new process.
Empty recycle bin.
Empty recycle bin. This is what we're looking for. So we press enter on empty recycle bin, and everything in the recycle bin will be deleted.
Delete multiple items. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 35 items? Yes, Alt Y.
So yes.
Folder view. Recycle bin 1 of 31.
So now the recycle bin is empty. Everything I deleted before that was in
FS
the
Reader
recycle bin
recycle bin 1
has been deleted. We've come to the end of today's class. Thank you for listening.
Pause button. New 4:01 a.m. Passcode 0. Access more. 2 new items. Apps with voice memos. Active. Sheet grabber. New recording. Duration. Stop button. Stop. Duration. 11 minutes. Stop button.
Take note, F4 is a new keyboard command that I'm teaching. It is for closing running windows like apps or folder. Do Alt F4.
Desktop Windows source.
So it has closed. So let's go to desktop.
Folder view. Recycle bin 1 of.
Our selection is still on recycle bin. So I want to do Shift plus F10 now on recycle bin.
Context.
So it has open context.
Open. O.
So there's open.
Open in new process.
Open in
P.
new process.
Empty recycle bin.
Empty recycle bin. This is what we're looking for. So we press enter on empty recycle bin, and everything in the recycle bin will be deleted.
Delete multiple items. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 35 items? Yes, Alt. Y.
So yes.
Prep folder view. Recycle bin 1 of 31.
So now the recycle bin is empty. Everything I deleted before that was in
FS
the
reader
recycle bin
recycle bin 1
has been deleted. Thank you for listening.
Before you go, subscribe to Tech Solutions Hub for more useful contents like this.